Hi everybody, this is Aarti from Only Paithani, and we have been talking about the new collection for some time, and we have the first sarees in now, and that's why we thought we'll give you a peek preview of what's in store, what's going to be in store very soon. And we have tried to stay true to the motifs of Paithani as we always do. At the same time, innovate with some kind of with newer things like checks or motifs on tissue. Instead of tissue base, we have tried to do this time around on a silk base, which not only makes the sari lighter but also extremely vibrant, at the same time stands out from the regular Paithanis as well. Having said that, we also have, of course, the traditional Paithanis with Narai borders, the other Paithanis with tissue borders, and the parrot, peacock, and floral motifs as well. So I'll start you off today. Today we are showing you a small section of our collection of pure silk saris as well as pure silk dupattas. I'll start off with a classic design of a Paithani. This one in a very deep blue, and here's like I said, we've tried to stay with the traditional motifs. So a parrot and peacock border on a tissue base, and a deep blue body with polka dot booties on the body. This is the traditional pallu that this Paithani has. Again, parrots and peacocks, very similar to the border. So it complements the entire sari very well. As I was talking, we have this time around tried to experiment a bit. So here's something that has come out. Extremely classy sari, no zari at all on this one. A completely pure silk Paithani, triple munia borders, and see how the motifs really stand out on the borders. Checks on this one, making it really beautiful and elegant. And it's got a statement pallu. A very beautiful artistically woven pallu. Very vibrant. It really offsets the monochrome going on the entire sari. The next we have is everybody's favorite color, a beautiful red. A beautiful red with tissue borders. Again, parrots and peacocks on the borders. Very vibrant sari, extremely colorful border. Now these are the kind of saris, the one I showed you before, and this, which go on to become heirloom saris, and these saris kind of last for years, and you can definitely look at these as pieces of jewelry which you would be passing on to the next generation. Next we have is a small set of dupattas. So these are the dupattas, like I have been always saying, are very versatile. Can be and all the dupattas we make are at least 2.5 meters. So the wider ones can definitely be paired with lehengas, kalidars, or your regular kurta dupattas, kurta salwar sets as well. So here's a lovely black. It's got linings on in zari on the body, and if you can see the beautiful temple border with monia woven on it. And here's the pallu of the dupatta on both sides. Very designer looking, and I'm sure it would, dupattas like these absolutely, bring out the beauty of your dress. Next we have here is beautiful sky blue, kind of a powder blue, traditional munia borders on this one, and again a beautiful palla of a pair of peacocks. Then we have something in black with pichwai motifs, lotus and cow motifs in this one, and the buttas are peacock buttas. This is a very nice lightweight dupatta, traditional borders, completely black, just a hint of maroon in the borders. Next we have is a beautiful wine or a deep magenta color dupatta with linings and munia borders. These are the munia borders. Completely woven in silver, and a traditional pallu with three motifs, basically three pairs of peacocks. And here's the last one for today, a very popular color, always one of our favorites too, a stunning beautiful bottle green, polka dot booties on this one, and the color is very beautiful, very deep rich bottle green, and the golden borders really come out on these ones, as well as the buttas. The pallu on this one on either sides is again three pairs of peacock, so you get the palla design on both the ends of the dupatta. There are many ways you can pair these with your dresses, like matching sets as well as contrast sets. So that's it for today. We have a lot more saris and dupattas coming in. So expect us to, expect me to come and show you live quite more often this week than we, normally do. So I'll be back in a day or two to show you a new set of saris and dupattas. In the meantime, please take care and stay safe. If you want to reach us, we have mentioned the numbers. You can reach us on 9833767750. You can WhatsApp us, or you can leave a comment, or you can DM us directly. So that's it for now, and this collection will be online very soon, in a few days. In the meantime, if you want to place an order for anything, please don't hesitate to contact us directly. Thank you so much, and stay safe. Bye bye.